we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing breath.
Hey Bliss Babes, thanks for tuning in to another video. I know it's been a minute. I've took a long break, but I am back with more videos for you guys. Thank you all for being so patient with me, and thank you for just all your kind words and encouragement. So today, my lovely client here, she has natural locks, and we are doing soft locks over her natural locks. I have not combined any of her locks for parting. Each of her natural lock has a soft lock attached to it. The method that I use is a wrap around method with the Bobbi Boss soft lock, new lock. I don't crochet it through the lock because it can cause damage to the natural lock. You never want to crochet any hair into the natural lock. Never, ever. It's, first of all, it's too much tension, and it can severely, oh my goodness, let me get my words right. I'm sorry. It can severely damage the natural lock. So all you see me do was open up the Bobbi Boss new lock, wrap it around her natural lock, slide it up so that it's closer to the root, and I grab some of the wrapping hair and I am wrapping around how you would normally do. And when you're wrapping around, you just do it how you normally would. If you miss any spots, you want to go back and grab just smaller pieces of hair to wrap around and to cover up all the spots that you missed. And again, you don't want to wrap it too tightly at the root. You want to do it how you normally would. But also, when you're wrapping the hair around, you want to make sure that you're pulling it tight just enough to make sure that the natural lock is conforming to the size that you want it to be. So we don't want it to be big and bulky. We want it to be nice and neat and natural flowing with the rest of the soft lock. Just how it will look if my client were to just have her natural hair, and if I were to braid it down and attach the Bobbi Boss new lock and wrap around. As you can see, it looks super flawless. It's blending in with the rest of the lock. You can't even tell that she has locks underneath. As you can see, I'm just parting her hair down the middle. I'm going to be separating her locks. Now, this is my lock client, so I'm making sure that her locks are not combined because it's been a minute since I last seen her. So you'll see me separating her locks, fixing up her parts, which a normal loctician would be doing. Also, I am using the Shine and Jam gel, and I am using my precision parting comb and edge control. That's the only products that I'm using. I am not causing any damage to her natural lock. Cleaning up the parts is perfectly fine. It's perfectly normal. If you were to go and get a retwist, hopefully your loctician will be cleaning up your parts if they care about your parting. I'm big on parting. I'm big on cleaning up the lock. I'm just putting the hair where it would naturally go. So because it's been a minute since I've seen her locks were starting to combine a little bit. That's why it may look a little bit aggressive, but I promise you it's perfectly fine. Her locks are natural, and if you follow me on Instagram, you can see that with these locks that I just am showing you guys that I'm doing, I just did a takedown recently. So this video is actually a few months old. If you want to see where her locks are looking now, you can just text me. You can just check me out on Instagram at Risamar for a current updated video. Now, for the rest of the video, you see me just opening up the Bobbi Boss new lock, and I believe this color is 27 gold or 30 gold, one or the other. That's like my favorite color to use. I don't like using the regular 27 because I feel like it's a little bit dull, but this 30 gold, I think it's 30 gold. So this 30 gold is just a beautiful blend of like bright honey 27 and like a darker 27, kind of close to color 30, but not quite. And as you can see, I just wrapped around the lock as I did in the previous one, and I get the wrapping hair and I just wrap down how I normally would if it were a braid or anything. The technique that I use is just making sure that I'm pulling the hair tight enough to wrap around the lock so that it's blending seamlessly. That's like the number one rule. You want to make sure that you're pulling the hair tight enough around your client's natural lock and around the soft lock to make sure that it blends seamlessly, y'all. And oh my goodness, I am in love with the way this look turned out. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave a comment below. All information, per usual, is left in the description box below. So if you have any questions on the hair that I used, the wrapping hair that I used, it is below in the comment section.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Better way, oh Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can't break. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Thank you again for tuning into my video. If you have stayed through the whole video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. I love you all and I'm so thankful for you, and I'm so excited for the rest of the videos that I have lined up for you guys. Thank you so much, blessed babes. Bye.